Today we are here in District 10 to view a 5-bed, 4-bath, 2,626 square feet unit across 2 beautifully designed levels in Glentrees. Hi, I'm Don, Senior Real Estate Consultant from Propseller. If you are looking for a peaceful retreat within the serene Mount Sinai landed enclave with ample space and modern comfort, this unit could be the one for you. Let's go. Glentrees is a 999-year leasehold condominium completed in 2005, comprising 176 units. Nestled in a prime residential enclave, it offers all the modern comforts families need. Located within the core central region, Glentrees is in the prime District 10, which comprises Tanglin, Holland, and Bukit Timah. The district's central location makes it a highly sought-after district for investment property. District 10 currently has a capital appreciation of 35.4%, which is the highest among the surrounding districts, District 5, District 9, and District 21. This home offers 5 spacious bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and covers an expansive 2,626 square feet, perfect for multi-generational families or anyone who loves space and privacy. Step into a dedicated lounge, your very own entertainment hub. Whether it's in a playroom, a cozy movie spot, or a private guest hideaway, it's where comfort and fun comes together under one roof. Lower level common bedroom is ideal for guests, extended family, or even a helper's room, offering a quiet corner with easy access to all amenities. The bathroom supports both the guest bedroom and lounge, enhancing functionality and privacy for multi-generational living. The open-air courtyard brings in natural light and ventilation, creating a refreshing indoor-outdoor flow. It's a charming spot for a morning coffee, potted garden, or tranquil reading nook. As we head upstairs to explore the upper levels, the centrally positioned dining area forms the heart of the home. Spacious enough for family gatherings while seamlessly connecting the dry kitchen and living zones. Adjacent to that is the living area, which opens out to your very own private enclosed space. Whether you're hosting guests or simply relaxing outdoors, this alfresco style space offers amazing flexibility. The home features a well-appointed wet kitchen, complemented by a stylish half-glass wall that offers a clear view into the space, perfect for families who love to cook or entertain. A yard at the back offers added utility, along with a separate toilet and a household shelter for convenient storage. 2 common bedrooms are found along the hallway, well-sized, perfect for children, guests, or home office, each with ample wardrobe space and natural light. The common bathroom is thoughtfully located, well-appointed, and easily accessible for family and guests. And finally, retreat to a luxurious master bedroom, generous space to fit a king-size bed, side tables, and a galley-style wardrobe. The ensuite bathroom features a dual sink vanity, shower, and quality fittings, offering a true sanctuary for rest and relaxation. Residents of Glentrees enjoy exclusive amenities including a gym, lap pool, jacuzzi, clubhouse, games room, and even a playground. Glentrees is well connected, with Dover MRT on the East-West line and Holland Village MRT station on the Circle line, both within easy reach, providing residents with convenient access to the rest of the island. For your daily needs, cold storage is conveniently located right in front of the development. You'll also find fresh produce and local fare at Ghim Moh Road Market and Food Centre. Holland Village is just minutes away, offering trendy cafes, restaurants and bars, while One Holland Village shopping mall adds even more dining and retail options. For families with school-going children, Henry Park Primary and the School of Science and Technology are both within 1 kilometre radius, offering quality education just around the corner. And that's all we have for you today. Thank you for staying tuned to this home tour video and to schedule a viewing for this beautiful unit here at Glentrees. Please contact my team at Propseller today. If you want to see more of these exclusive home tour videos, do subscribe and click on the notification bell below.